It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh, yeah. So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty and Lifestyle. So you guys, I've told you about this rack. I call it rack or I call it shelf. So I usually put this rack in my front yard, and as you can see, yet last year I didn't use it, so it's kind of rusted. So I wanted to spray paint it so that it can look good. So I'm going to spray paint it, and then I'm going to show you how exactly I'm gonna do it, and then I'm going to put it back on my front yard, and I'm gonna put the plants that we bought the other time. If you haven't watched my video where I bought them, and yes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use this spray paint, and it's the metallic black, high gloss metallic black, and I bought it from Action, and it's from Spectrum. So I'm going to use that one to spray paint my rack there, or shelf, whatever you want to call it, garden shelf or rack or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to spray paint it so it can look nice, and then I'm gonna put my plants, my flowers, my flower pots and flowers on top of it, and you're gonna see how it's gonna come out, guys. So I actually use the whole can of spray paint to spray paint it. I used the whole can. So yes, so I did like 2 or 3 coats, and then it was looking so good, so good. So everything spray paint, No, I'm joking, don't spray paint everything. No, but you can spray paint a lot of things. It just depends, because there's spray paint of everything. So yes, it makes work easier. So guys, you're going to see how it's gonna come out, and I'm gonna leave you so you guys can watch and see the end results. So yes, guys.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
Plants that I'm going to put on my shelf there, and my rack or shelf, whatever you call it. So I'm going to put this one. This one was a little bit, but there's still more coming. I don't know what's happened here, but if it doesn't do well, I will just buy new. But I hope it's going to. So this one also has already bloomed, but it's going to bloom again. As you can see, it has still have some new ones that are coming. So as you can see, I planted them in this pot because I bought this pot the other day. So I'm going to give them water first, and then because this shelf goes to in the front yard, I'm going to take this one first. I'm going to take the rack in the front yard, and then I'll come and put these ones, guys, and I'll show you how it's gonna turn out. This is wow. And I also planted this one today. So I planted this pot today, the white and the flowers. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to give it water also. Guys, look at this. The last time I showed you about this, the tree of mine, look, it's shedding, the flowers are drying, and you can see now the leaves are coming out. The leaves are coming out and the flowers are drying out. See this? The flowers are going out and the leaves are coming. So it's going to be green. Yes, and there is an update. I also planted, I already showed you this. I also planted this too. Actually, my husband did it for me. It's roses. It's going to grow big and with big flowers. Oh my God, it's going to be so cute right there. You can see the water is so quiet. Well, the weather is not yet so nice, but it's nice, but not nice for me to make the deck. We're gonna enjoy. So these two, I can't wait to show you guys the update of these two, because they have very, very beautiful big flowers like roses, but they're not roses. They look almost like roses, but not roses. You can see these are going to be very big flowers. I don't know if you can see, guys, how this. See those ones? And it's going to grow big and tall. So yes, these ones, and put them on the rack and see how it's gonna turn out. So my cup is here in my front yard, and I'm going to put them, my flowers are also here. So I'm thinking, because there are 4, I have to buy one more, but for now I'm just going to put 3, and then I will add later, I will add one more. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put white here and then the gray, and so I'm starting to put this one, because this one is like when it's hold the water for it. So I'm gonna take this white, I'm gonna put it here. I hope it fits. Yeah, just gonna put it like that. It's not gonna grow tall than that, only the flowers are going to come out. So you can see the other side. So I'm gonna put one like this. So I'm gonna put that one there, and I'm gonna take this pink, and I'm putting this pink, putting this one first here. Pink there, and then up here I'm gonna put this blue. So guys, let me go backwards. See, so this is how it came out. So I still need one for there, but for now, look at that. It looks so cute. I love it. So you guys, this is the end result. As you can see, love it. Love it. So thank you guys very much for watching, and thank you much for being here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell, so every time I upload a new video you get a notification that I have a new video on my channel. So you guys, this is the outcome. Tell me what you think on the comment section, and leave me a like. You can share, and thank you very much for being here. Bye.